Yeah, hi. Today I'm gonna show another project. This is the portfolio website for developers. This is the hero sections, series animation, about me sections. This is the future projects. Here you can see this is the beautiful animations, skill sections. Here you can see our beautiful animation. This is the contact sections. See, this is also beautiful animation using framer motion. See, this is a beautiful animations in navigation bar, about sections, projects, skills, contact sections. Now we have the full story. So if I go to this mode, so see here the back to main. This is the another mode. This is simplest mode. So here we have written of everything about me. Okay. So now I'm gonna move back again in simple mode. So here you can see this is the theme changers, dark theme and light theme. So yeah, this is all about this portfolio website for developers. Thank you.